Would you like to get ready to enjoy your best year yet? Then stay tuned as I take you through 3 steps to help you to achieve your best year yet. Hi, this is Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing inspiration, motivation and encouragement to help you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Are you ready to enjoy your best year yet? Well, before we look at that, I encourage you to look at the previous video where I talked to you about the power and the benefit of having a debrief for yourself and looking back at the 12 months that have just passed. So before you look forward, take a couple of moments to stop and reflect upon the year that you've had and just ask yourself those 3 key questions. What have you been grateful for? What have you enjoyed? And what have you learned? And these 3 questions allow you to kind of look at your highlights, look at what you've learned, look at what you've enjoyed, and that can help prepare you and get you ready to move forward into the year ahead to help you to have your best year yet. And then when you've done that, then you can start to focus your attention on your goals, your targets, and your plans for the year to come. Now, I'm forever saying, we get more of what we think about. The way the mind works is we get more of what we focus on. So the idea of today is to help you to focus on what you need to do to help you to enjoy your best year yet. Now, there's 3 kind of steps to help you to achieve your best year yet. And that is simply to ask yourself, what do I need to stop doing? If you've decided on what you actually want, you're already way ahead of many people, because our resistance to achieving anything is often because of lack of clarity. We haven't taken the time to get clear on what we actually want. So when we've done that, then we need to focus on what we need to do to make it happen. What are the action steps that we need to take? So the 3 steps are, as I've just said, firstly, what do you need to stop doing? All of your actions are going to move you closer to what you want or further away from it. So first of all, what do you need to stop doing? Then secondly, what do you need to keep doing? What's working? What do you need to do more of? Often overlooked. Give yourself credit for what you are doing and repeat it. Do more of it. And then the 3rd step is simply, what do you need to start doing? If we were to have a conversation a year from now and we were looking back on what you did to help you to get to where you want to be, to help you to achieve the life that you want, to achieve the goals that you want, to achieve your best year yet, what did you do? Start doing the things that are going to help you get closer to it. So that's it. What do you need to stop doing? What do you need to keep doing? And what do you need to start doing? So before you go, leave a comment below and let me know, firstly, what you want to enjoy in the next 12 months. Maybe come up with a do list of your top 5 targets, plans, intentions for the year ahead, and then let me know what you're going to do differently to help make that happen. Remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve. So allow yourself to think differently, to believe in yourself, take actions that you can enjoy and achieve the life that you want. You can do it. Go on, make it happen.